are on day 2, going back over to that York job where we had the bad compressor. We went out the other day and got that compressor changed, and then we found the reason why the compressor died. There is a restriction at the reversing valve, not closing all the way in heat mode. So when the customer turned on the heat for the first time this year, it pulled the compressor into a vacuum and burnt out the run winding. So we went back, we changed the compressor and found the problem, and instead of fussing with it, the customer just wanted us to put in a new heat pump, give her the 5-year warranty with it, and the 2-year labor warranty that we offer, and just be done with it. We told her we'd credit the compressor back to the new heat pump, so that's what we're gonna do today. Super windy and super cold out right now. The thing was to get this job done before tonight because it's supposed to drop down into the 20s. So we'll see what we can do. I'll try to take you guys along for most of it, and we'll get this thing knocked out. Okay, my dudes, here we are. I got my canopy set up here. It's a little too windy to raise it all the way up right now, but there's our new condenser we're gonna put in. There's that old York. I'm gonna get this guy pumped down, cut out, and unwired, and we'll get this new heat pump in here for this dude. Okay guys, so I got this unit disconnected right here, got the electrical disconnected, and I severed this line here because I'm going to weld it shut. And this is the oil from the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is black. I know it's kind of dark. Totally black. This is what a burnout looks like. Nasty, nasty stuff. We're gonna do the best we can to get this thing flushed out. Well, we have it opened up at least, so. Okay guys, so I got these lines here crimped up. I'm gonna go ahead and braze them shut real quick. So when I get home, I can recover this refrigerant, because I am going to be taking this unit apart if I get to keep it. I'm going to be taking it apart because I need to know what happened to it. Alright, so we're out here just getting this piped in. I got my pipe switcher right there, getting a couple pieces ready, and I have decided that I'm gonna go up top and cut this suction line, and we're gonna flush it out before I pipe this in. It's just better to be safe than sorry. So check it out, guys. This is what I flushed out of that. That's what happens when there's a burnout. Nasty. guys, got those lines sweated in. Hope that was a decent montage, maybe not too cringy. I got my nitrogen still flowing here, and I'm gonna go up top and we're gonna get that TXV changed. Okay, so we got our TXV here. This is a S1 1 TVM 4G1, 2 to 3.5 ton. It's going on a 5-ton coil, but that's what was originally on there in the first place. Right there. Here's our new one. The thing is these York units have different sizes than normal on these threaded fittings. So only specific valves will fit on here. You can't just get a normal valve. So we're gonna get this guy on and get our vacuum pulled. So I got the new TXV piped in here. External equalizers connected, the bulbs attached. York uses these special Parker Sporlan TXVs. I showed you the model number a minute ago, but yeah, we got it tightened on pretty good with some Nylog. And here's our welds. We had to cut these lines so we could give it a good flush, the whole line set. We're still gonna add some acid away and some, what is it called? We're gonna add some other stuff too. I'll show you in a second. But there it is. We're under a pressure test right now. And hopefully it holds pretty well. Man, guys, this is a big job. Okay, so we got the pressure test. My Titans are telling me that it passed. So we are going to pull this nitro off and get a vacuum started. Okay, we got it running under a vacuum. We got our Epion 1/2 inch and a Yellow Jacket 3/8 here. And our field piece micron gauge. I'm gonna wait till it starts reading. And then I'm gonna go to lunch. Alright, so we just got back from lunch. It's 38 degrees outside now. We're down to 300 microns. So we're gonna get this pump isolated and release that refrigerant and get the fuck out of here. Alright guys, we got the unit on and running. We got some acid away in there to help get rid of any residual acidic oil. Just verify these are pretty tight. thing that's left is to get this guy back to the van, get her loaded up, and then get out of here. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.